Hey guys, I'm Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to rock the bomber jacket like a Bollywood star. Ajay Devgan was spotted in a casual black bomber jacket which he kept zipped up till his chest and paired a charcoal grey t-shirt underneath. He completed the look with blue jeans and a pair of grey sneakers. This is a great casual outfit that's perfect for days when you want to look well put together without putting in too much effort. It looks sophisticated yet laid back thanks to the smart layering with the bomber jacket. Bomber jackets are an athleisure staple that's a favorite with Bollywood stars like Kartik Aaryan and Varun Dhawan. When choosing a bomber jacket, pick one that rests loosely on your hips and ensure that the cuffs don't go past your wrist. When layering over a t-shirt, the silhouette of a bomber jacket is flattering as it brings all the attention to the shoulders while making the torso appear much slimmer. To get a look inspired by Ajay, start with a navy bomber jacket like the one that I have over here. It's got a thin collar and a silver zip detailing. What you can do is layer this jacket over a grey t-shirt similar to the one that I have over here. Throw on a pair of blue jeans and your look is almost done. To complete the look, throw on a pair of white sneakers and a digital smartwatch. I think this outfit would work really well for a casual hangout sesh with your buddies. You can also pair this jacket with a white tank top and black joggers combo to create a really comfortable outfit that will be perfect for lounging in. The next look that I'm going to talk about is the ideal statement piece to add to your wardrobe. This red bomber jacket is exactly the kind of stylish AF outfit that will definitely make heads turn. The sporty vibe of this jacket is a great way to elevate your casual outfits. Wear a black graphic tee underneath the bomber jacket like this one to add some flair to the entire look. Pair it with chunky black sneakers and black jeans for a complete look. This entire outfit would work well for a night out clubbing. You could also create a really chilled out gym outfit by wearing this bomber jacket over a white tank top and blue joggers and white sneakers. Well, I do hope that you're inspired to add athleisure pieces like these bomber jackets to your wardrobe. They're a great way to layer and effortlessly look stylish without making too much of an effort. The best part about bomber jackets is that no matter what the fabric, be it leather, denim or nylon, they look great and work well on most body types. So the next time you go shopping, make sure to add it to your cart. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Today, I'm going to break down Ajay Devgan's casual look and show you a few different ways to wear a turtleneck pullover. The actor was spotted on a show wearing a black turtleneck pullover, which he tucked into his grey trousers. This simple look was accessorized with black Oxfords, a black belt, and a silver strap smartwatch. Ajay pulled up the sleeves to show off his forearms and bring balance to the entire look. I think this was a very dapper look. The combination of the fitted turtleneck and trousers gave Ajay a very sophisticated look that's really easy to pull off. So let me show you guys a few looks that'll give you inspiration on how to wear this style in different ways. So first up, we have this black turtleneck pullover, which is very similar to the one that Ajay wore. The stretch material on this gives you a very fitted look and would bring the focus to the torso. Now, this wardrobe classic can be worn in multiple ways. You can pair it with light grey trousers like these ones that I have over here to give you a very dapper look. With this outfit now, guys, let the accessories take the spotlight. Pull up the sleeves on the pullover and wear a chunky silver watch and polished black Oxfords to complete the entire look. What I would suggest is throwing on this black and red checkered scarf. Now, the colored scarf would add that pop of color to the entire outfit. Also, to create an outfit that would work well for a formal event, simply wear this black turtleneck with a pair of black chinos and layer it with a blazer very similar to the one that I have over here. Throw in a pocket square to add that pop of color. Wear black Oxfords to create a very, very dashing look. Another way to style this turtleneck is with a bomber jacket. What you can do is layer it with a navy blue bomber jacket like the one that I have here. The combination of the navy blue bomber jacket and fitted black pullover underneath will give your body a streamlined effect that's very, very flattering. pair it with classic blue jeans to get an extremely casual look. Add a pair of black sneakers, roll up the sleeves and wear a chunky watch to complete the entire look. An outfit like this, guys, works really well for a night out of partying, and it will also keep you warm while you're outdoors at night. Well, a black turtleneck is a great piece that can up your style game while keeping you cozy, so it's well worth the investment. I hope you guys are inspired to try out this trend with these styling tips. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.